What if I told you that death might just be a technical problem? That one day you could upload your mind, leave your physical body, and can live forever inside a computer. Imagine talking to your dearest person inside a computer even after they have died. Sounds crazy, right? But scientists are figuring out how to copy your brain, store your thoughts, and maybe even bring you back to life digitally. Imagine having a backup of yourself just like you have backup of your photos. Can we really live forever? Or it's just a digital illusion? Watch this video till the end because what you're about to hear is gonna completely change how you think about life and death forever. Okay, so we just talked about uploading our mind and living forever. But what does it even mean? See, your entire personality, thoughts, and memories are just electrical signals firing between neurons. Your brain is literally a biological computer. And right now, everything you're experiencing, like watching this video or thinking about your partner or remembering a funny incident, is just data being processed inside your brain. So what if we could copy that data and store in something durable than human body? Because we eventually die, and that's the whole idea of mind uploading. So in simple words, digitally preserving a human brain inside a computer so that it can think even after the body is gone. For this to work, we need a physical brain and convert into a digital simulation, something called as whole brain emulation. So this whole brain emulation contains of 3 steps. Step 1 being brain scanning. First, we need to map every small detail inside our brain. This isn't easy because our brain contains 86 billion neurons connected with trillions of synapses, which is more than all the stars in the Milky Way. So to capture all of this, we need ultra resolution MRIs and electron microscopes or even nanorobots. And the step 2 includes digital reconstruction. So once we have the map, the next step is building a digital model. This means recreating the brain inside a computer, neuron by neuron. But neurons don't work individually, they are a team, so they change by new learnings, new memories, and new experiences. That's why we use dynamic simulation, which exactly work and change like real neurons inside our brain. Now, the step 3 includes a very interesting topic, running this digital brain that we have created in the step 2 inside a computer. But right now, even the fastest supercomputer could not run a simple mouse brain in real time. A human brain is a million times complex than a mouse brain. But with future breakthroughs like quantum computing and advanced AI, we might reach one day. And if you haven't seen our latest video on quantum computing, please check out this video. I'll put the video link in the description as well. Now, before you say, bro, this is impossible, we have already done this, but not in a human brain or in a mouse brain, but a little tiny worm brain. Scientists mapped the entire brain of a worm, which is called C. elegans, and uploaded it to a computer. And the crazy part, the digital version acted just like the real worm brain, without any extra programming. It just worked because the brain structure was perfectly copied. Now, looking at the new technologies that we are getting each and every day, I don't think it won't take much time to simulate a human brain in real time inside a computer. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. But here's the real question. If we upload your brain, is it really you or it's just a copy? Let's say we have successfully scanned your brain and we have stored in a computer and we have ran it. And this digital version of you thinks like you, talks like you, and even remembers your childhood. But is it really you? Think about it. Would love, excitement, fear, all these emotions, does this have any sense if nobody dies? If you live inside a computer, would you get bored after 500 years or let's say 5000 years? Or would it be great to talk to a friend, your dearest person, or your family member who have been already died but still lives inside a computer inside your room? Or maybe life is beautiful because it is temporary? I don't know, man. Maybe this digital immortality that scientists are talking about and researching, is this gonna do any good for people or is it gonna affect in a bad way? I don't know. You let me know in the comments. But one day, someone is gonna have to answer all of these questions. Maybe that someone could be you or me. Who knows? And if you want more interesting topics like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, please like and share it to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.